Hi guys, how are you? I hope you are well. I have to work with different tools. So I order a utility work gloves for men, women, gardening gloves, mechanics, construction gloves from AliExpress site. Now I show you unboxing it. I order one pair L size. Wow! It looks great and is very soft. Its grips feel pretty good. It looks like it is made of leather. It is of different structure for right and left hand. Its shipping, BDT 254.01 from China to via AliExpress selection super economy global estimated delivery, 30 to 50 days. I got it in 15 days, which was a surprise for me. Now I will show you how I ordered it. First, go to AliExpress site and log in with user ID. Search and select your desired and required items. Now I will show what I have ordered and what I have received. Now you have to buy and submit the required dollar card. Cost calculation of how I bring this glove. Total item costs US $2.28. Total shipping US $2.34. Total US $4.62. Finally, you have to click on Buy Now button to complete the order. Features: 4 sizes, 4M, L, XL-XXL. Pick the one which suits you. For palm with anti-slip design, avoiding falling while you are at work. The palms have excellent grip and provide for protection against scratches or cuts when planting vegetables or flowers or carrying or organizing some sundries. It's a must-have helper in life or work. Multi-purpose for electricians, builders, woodworking, DIY, box handling, precision assembly, gardening, shop, construction site, etc. for ideal gift for construction site workers, gardeners, ranch workers and more. Material: imitation sheepskin. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, and comment, if necessary. Good luck!